Firstly, confirm that the water penetration is past either of the two corners of the main seal. A modified front hood seal is now used on vehicles produced after January 2005 and can be easily identified in the two images shown. Remove the outer A pillar trims, taking care not to damage the painted surface. Then proceed with the removal of the main seal. Ensure the surface of the bodywork is clean and free from contamination. Also inspect the edge where the seal is located to ensure that the panels are in alignment. If the lower panel is protruding further than the upper panel, the edge will have to be removed and treated before the seal is to be refitted. Refer to text section of Solution 5578 on Actis. Visually check the captive clip for the retaining screw of the seal. If the screw has not entered the middle of the clip or has elongated the centre, the clip should be replaced. Visually inspect the contour of the body panels on the upper edge of the vehicle. If there is a sharp edge, apply a piece of mastic to reshape the outer surface of the bodywork, as shown in the video. Apply the first band of 20mm butane sealer along the vertical axis of the vehicle, paying particular attention that the sealer follows the main edge of the body panel. Apply the horizontal strip of 20mm butane sealer, half across the lower edge of the front panel and half across the vertical part of the panel. Note, the upper edge of the sealer should follow the line of the ridge on the body panel, as shown. Place half a section of the butane sealer from the end of the previously attached sections across the captive clip. Apply 3M refix tape to the upper section of the front panel, ensuring the lower edge of the tape is in line with the two ridge levels of the panel from the near side to the off side of the vehicle. Note, this additional tape, which must be sourced from a local 3M agent, should only be applied if previous attempts using the butane sealer have failed to seal the section between the main seal and bodywork. Remove the protective film from the back of the butane strips. Refit the main seal, ensuring that the corners are applied first, the locating lugs are positioned correctly, and the seal has good adhesion to the body panel and butane sealer. When refitted, check to see that the inner gutter joint has not folded over after applying the seal. Remove the protective film from the 3M double-sided tape and apply pressure to the seal to confirm good adhesion. Refit the A-pillar outer trims using new clips. Note, there is no requirement to seal the trim to the bodywork, but an additional fifth clip is required. Then water test the area again, as detailed previously. When the operation is complete, the front to side seal adjustment must be checked again before a water test is carried out.